Welcome to Air Conditioner Repair Concordia, Portland, Oregon. Right now heating and cooling. Our address is 12725 Southwest Millikan Way, Suite 300A, Beaverton, Oregon 97005. Right now heating and cooling is the best choice when you're in search of trustworthy HVAC contractors in your area. We provide services to residential and commercial properties. We have over 25 years expertise in the HVAC business and are able to handle any of your toughest HVAC problems. Our highly skilled HVAC technicians and contractors are highly skilled in all areas of the heating and cooling industry. They deliver exceptional service that includes outstanding results, outstanding customer service and affordable pricing. Each member of our team takes great pride in staying up to date in all codes and cutting-edge technology to ensure your home and family healthy. We love doing what we do, and it is reflected in the quality of our work on each job regardless of the amount or difficulty. Our HVAC contractors handle small heating and cooling needs that range from routine maintenance calls to huge central heating and cooling system installation. Only factory-trained technicians are employed. They're the most skilled and most reliable technicians in the business. Your job will be completed correctly the first time. At Right Now Heating and Cooling, we expect to continue our partnership long after the new equipment is installed or repaired. Our ongoing services are designed to keep your equipment operating at its peak efficiency, without interruptions or breakdowns. Our offerings include furnace repair, furnace installation, air conditioner repair, air conditioner installation, heat pump repair, heat pump installation, central heating repair, central heating installation, thermostat repair, thermostat installation and other services. Our goal has always been to provide the most competitive price with qualified HVAC technicians. We also stand behind our work by offering a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you require any heating or cooling repairs, or for installation services for your home or workplace, our HVAC technicians are here to assist you. We provide a variety of pricing options and guaranteed workmanship. We offer weekend and emergency service, as in addition to warranties for all parts and labor. We invite you to visit our website, or call us at 503-300-6124.